Hello and welcome. I'm back at Costco checking out the latest deals you should be buying here in September. I'm in the electronics section and they have some deals on some desktop computers. In particular, they have this CyberForce PC Extreme Gaming Desktop on sale right now for only $949, saving $150. That is good until only September 7th. And what this comes equipped with is 2 terabytes of solid state drive, as well as a 32 gigabyte memory. And it has the NVIDIA GeForce RTX card. So that's a pretty good deal right there. Also comes with a gaming mouse, gaming keyboard. It's a pretty decent setup there for only $950. And they also have another deal on another desktop on the HP OmniDesk desktop computer. That's come with the keyboard and mouse as well. This is priced only $700, saving $200. This is also equipped with 32 gigabytes of memory and 1 terabyte of solid state drive. So a pretty good deal at $700. And if you need a monitor to go with one of these desktops, they do have a deal on the MSI 27-inch 170 hertz gaming monitor on sale for only $149, saving $50. That's also good until September 7th. Looks like a pretty nice monitor there. And they also have another monitor on sale by LG. It's a 34-inch ultra wide smart monitor. This comes with a remote control. You are able to also do apps on it where you can stream different streaming platforms, for example like YouTube and then Netflix, Prime Video, that sort of thing. This does have a 100 hertz refresh rate. It's QHD 3440 by 1440. I think this is a pretty nice deal. We've seen this deal before where they have it priced at only $299, saving $50. That is good until September 14th. Again, I think this is an awesome monitor just because of being able to stream from the internet and have different things going at the same time, just like they have it split up on the screen that they were just showing. And it also obviously has a remote as well. So pretty decent deal right there. $300, not bad at all. And they have a deal on the Lenovo Slim 5. It's a 16-inch IdeaPad. It does come equipped with a 16 gigabyte memory and 1 terabyte of solid state drive. They have an awesome deal on this, priced at only $599, saving $200. You do have until September 21st for this deal. And they have a good deal on this Microsoft 13.8-inch Surface laptop with a Copilot Plus PC Sapphire, saving $120. So it's only $979, and you do have until September 21st. And here's another awesome deal that they're doing on another laptop here. This one's made by Dell. It's a Dell Plus 16-inch. And it's rated at a 32 gigabyte of memory and 1 terabyte solid state drive. Awesome deal price, saving $300 off the $1,300 price tag there, so only $1,000. That's good until September 21st. Now the advantages of buying a computer or laptop from Costco is that they do have a 90-day return policy, free tech support, as well as a second year of warranty. Definitely worth picking up computers from Costco. And here's another good laptop deal. They have this Lenovo Legion 5i. It's a 16-inch gaming laptop. The thing that's nice about this is it has a lit-up keyboard. So this is equipped with a 32 gigabyte memory, as well as 1 terabyte of solid-state drive, hard drive. And it also comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060. So it's a pretty nice setup right there. And you're saving $200. So it's only $1,300. It was regularly $1,500. And you do have until September 21st for this deal. And you can also go online and order it as well. So you could have it delivered right to you if you wanted. It's a pretty nice laptop right there. And the audio is by Harman. And they have this Epson printer. It's a wireless super tank. Looks like a nice little sleek design. I have a Epson printer myself. And the thing that's awesome about it, it uses these big ink cartridges to be able to refill the ink tanks on them. So you save a lot of money using this system. So this is on sale right now for only $299, saving $80. And you do have until September 21st. It does say with the amount of ink that it does come with, you can print 8,500 pages in black and then 6,500 pages in color. That's how efficient it is with the ink that it comes with. With this printer, you can do copy, scan, and it has connection to the Wi-Fi as well to be able to print remotely. Also, you could do mobile printing from your phone as well. So pretty cool. Awesome deal right there. If you're looking to purify your air, they have this 2-pack of the blue Pure Mini Max air purifier. They say it's 2 powerful air purifiers for multi-room freshness, and it removes 99.97% of tiny airborne particles. Compact design, so you can take clean air on the go. It's rated for up to 432 square feet. They do have a good deal on this right now for only 80 bucks. That's saving 20. That's good until September 7th. And they have this Lasco Super Fan Max. It's the multi-purpose compact air mover. This is great for drying off floors, events of flooding or mopping. It does have a couple outlets on the side, so you're able to run multiple fans in a room or different areas. It does have a foldable 20-degree stand to be able to dry walls and crawl spaces. They have a good deal right now where you're saving 10 bucks. So it's $49.99. That deal's good until September 14th. And here's a new item I haven't seen before, so it's new to Costco, or at least new to this area. They have this 2-pack of the Auto Light with emergency tool. It's rated at 1,000 lumens. It has 7 functions of different lights, and then what it does is it has a hammer, a little pinpoint window breaker there in case of an emergency. Also has a seat belt cutter with like a little razor blade on that side, and also has a flashlight on the end, and then other lights on the side here. USB-C charging cables with it, and it has a magnetic end so you can stick it to metal surfaces. Pretty nice there, and it's only 20 bucks for the 2-pack, so pretty cool there. And here's another new item to the store. They have this Type S dual view 4K dash cam. So it has actually 2 cams to it. The one that goes out the windshield is a 4K one, and then one on the interior is a 1080p. Comes with a 32 gig memory card. Yeah, this price is only 120 bucks. That's a pretty good deal right there, especially for a 4K dash cam. It does say with enhanced AI features. It does have an app also, so you can access it on your phone. So I think it's a pretty good deal. 120 bucks for a 4K dash cam. And here's another clearance item to be on the lookout. It's a stainless steel coffee set. So it's 5 pieces. It comes with a percolator and then mugs with carabiners on there, so you can hang them up in different areas. You can use it at the home as well, but it'd be great for camping. They have this on clearance, only $14.97, made with stainless steel campfire stovetop use. Comes with the 4 mugs, and it's weather resistant. Pretty good deal there for 15 bucks. If you're in need to upgrade your lighting in your garage or basement or other workspaces, they have an awesome deal on this Arctica Sunray. It's the ultra thin LED panel. It's 1 foot by 4 foot, and you can just wire it right into your junction box that might be already there. The thing that's nice about this, it has 3 selectable light colors from 3000 Kelvin, 4 and 5000. So you have different options there. It's rated at 4200 lumens, so that's pretty bright. And it's also dimmable. And it has 50,000 hours of life on it with the LED. It's a pretty good deal on this right now where you're saving 8 bucks. So it's only $25. It was $33. You do have until September 21st for that deal. These are pretty nice and thin and bright. And this is how it would be mounted. It's quick and easy installation. It has this little plate right here that you would mount it to the ceiling. And then you can also screw it to the junction box as well. And then you just wire it right into where you have an existing light socket at. Pretty decent deal, nice and slim. If you're in need of a new kitchen faucet, they have this one by Kohler. It's the Guild, and they have them in a matte black as well as like a stainless finish. So 2 different options. They're running an awesome deal price at only $110. That's saving 50, so normally $160. That's an awesome deal right there, and also it's good until September 21st. And if you're in need of a new bathroom vanity, they have this one also by Kohler. It's the Clave 60-inch vanity in white. It does come with like a quartz vanity top. It does have dual sinks, and these are the types of holes that you'd have. You had to get a bathroom faucet that would have like this 3 separate mounts to it. You can't just do a single faucet where it has like an 8-inch one on a normal bath vanity. So it does take a special faucet where it has the 3 individual pieces to it. This is on clearance right now for $7.99. This is, I think, the same price that they had it marked as before when they had it on sale. It's normally priced at $9.99, and it's a pretty good deal for a bathroom vanity of this size for a 60-inch one. It does have nice drawers to it. They appear to be solid wood drawers as well. It also has dovetail, and here's what the inside of the cabinet looks like. So it has like a notch out of the shelf there for the P-trap, and then the sinks are under mount, and it also comes with a backsplash strip as well. So pretty nice for only 800 bucks. They do have this Moen Idris one-handle bathroom faucet on clearance for only $49.97. That's a pretty good deal for a bathroom faucet. But this one would not work with the vanity that I just showed, because this is, as I mentioned, like this would be a single hole one, but it does come with a cover plate. That cover plate would not cover the wide span of the bathroom vanity holes. But again, this is an excellent deal at only $50. And they are running a deal on this buckle up storage set. It's a 4-pack of these clear storage totes, and they're 12.9 quart in size. The deal price is only $7.49. That's saving $2.50 on it. And you do have until September 21st for that deal. And they have these Duracell 3000 lumen lanterns. The thing that's cool about them is that they're actually powered by 3 different ways. So you could charge them up. It has a top solar panel, and you can recharge the internal battery, or you can also power it by D batteries as well, 3 of them. So the thing that's also cool about it, so it not only has the top solar panel on it, you could flip the lid on it, and it acts as a wireless charger for your phone. It makes it even more versatile. It even has like a USB port out, so you can also charge other devices with it with a cable as well. So it has different modes on it. It has a high level, medium, and also has a red flasher, and it's also, you can also dim the light as well. It does say 1 hour of solar charging equals 1 hour of power for the lantern. So it's pretty decent setup right here, especially for power outages or just to have on hand, or camping even. So they have this on a deal price of only $22.99, saving $7. That's good until September 21st. If you have some scrubbing and cleaning up to do, then you can do so with this Hoto cordless spin scrubber. It is a IPX7 waterproof rating, and it's rechargeable by USB-C. It has an extendable handle up to 51 inches. It has up to a 110-minute run time. It has different cleaning heads, scrubbers, scrubbing pads. And it does say it's waterproof fully, IPX7, so you could technically submerge the head to it, which appears that it detaches as well. So it's a pretty good setup right here. It comes with 6 different brush heads for daily cleaning. They show it cleaning like a floor around the faucet, your boat, hard floors. It looks like it's like a microfiber pad to it. You also scrub your cooktop and even like shower walls or mirrors. So you can do all sorts of different things with it. They are running a deal for only $39.99. That is saving $10. You do have until September 30th. All right, that's going to conclude this deal video at Costco for September. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much.